Buoyancy. You guys have taught me that because of my body type, I have that snap back with the buoyancy. So there'll be a couple of plane changes that I really want to focus on. When I come down on my ICR to the airlock, I'm going to try to make sure that while I'm tending to my buddy, I'm coming down and doing a nice plane change. Yep, perfect. Timing.
That's my plan. Check the behind there again. Can you bring this up?
Yeah, it's straight up. Yep. I'm gonna pull it back down.
But I'm gonna give you a workout today.
2 copies didn't work. Yeah.
To do that first. I don't think we've done that
big
before.
time. It helps a lot.
It made a big difference. Whew. Yeah. Usually I'm here for like 10 minutes. you guys crushed it. And then it doesn't get caught in there.
Yeah, I don't want it. I'm going to snap it on there for you.
Yeah, do you mind? Yeah, that's great.
And you can grab
Adjust
the
it if I
tab.
need to.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'll do my mic.
You grab those in and make sure that those ears are in a good spot. You get that thing 6 hours later and that dude, it's brutal.
Yeah.
Looking good. Perfect. I like it. You get your mechanism in a day position. You get your 5,000 in a good position. Absolutely perfect.
Sounds good. I just got my last sample. Base are under 1/2 meter, and some of them look like float, some of them look like outcrop. I've got my sample from one that looks like mostly
outcrop. We noticed a dark unit at the bottom that's very consistent, dark gray. It has some waviness and bumps to it, and it kind of rises up in elevation as it comes out to the end of the outcrop. We also noticed some other layers that are tan / brown in color that come in up above that black.
But then Reed got in here and poked with his stick, and you see that some of it is like embedded, and so it is forming a layer. And Kelsey made a neat comment that like a million years from now,